Hello guys, today we'll learn about Singleton class. So a Singleton class is a class whose instance is only initialized once. That means once every time we try to get the instance of the class, we get the same instance. So how do we create a Singleton class? To create a Singleton class, we first have to make the class final, which we the class which we want to make a Singleton class. The second step would be make the constructor private so that to prevent the initialization from outside. So we will make them private, constructor private. And the third step would be to create a static factory method to access a single object. To create that single object, we will first try to create an object which is private, static, final. Method's name will be get instance, and this method will of course be static, and we'll make it public so that it can be accessed outside the class, and the return type would be the same class, and we'll return this final object as the singleton object. Object here is initialized only once when the class is loaded, and on calling the get instance method every time we get the same object. So that's it. That's how you create a singleton class in Java.